Hello everyone, I'm here with a journal share, or I should say an altered little golden book share. This one is a swap with Terri Clark, and she has hers done already and sent it to me and everything. It's taken me forever to do hers, so I thought I better get my booty on the ball and get this finished. So this is what I came up with. I put a little tassel on here, which I thought turned out super cute. There's a couple little bulb pins with some things and on there, and I just put it on with a bulb pin, and this is Hobby Lobby trim right there. I cut the spine out of this book and put a bigger spine in it, of course, and it's just one signature. And yeah, Dollar Tree trim on there. I love this. I think it turned out super cute. I've never done this before, so this is a burst. And I got these bigger eyelets on here. And let's go inside. So inside, I just made a little extra booklet right here. And I did use a lot of Artie Mae's, as I always do in here. I love that. Love her. She is so sweet, and I love her kits, and I use a lot of them. And here we go. Oh, and before you look at the book and try to read the story, I messed up and got my pages mixed up. So they're not in order, but she said it was okay just to leave it, because otherwise I would have to rip everything apart and do it all over. So yeah, my bad. I got the book pages totally messed up, which I was really bummed about, and it took me a while to get over, but I'm over it now. So here I just did a pocket with a big Hermelinda tag inside, or behind it. And in here, these two. And I just did a bunch of layering right there, which I thought turned out super cute. And over here, another big tag. I had this laying on my table, and I cut it like that far up with my scissors, and so I just put some washi on it and fixed it, because she will still be able to write on it. Inside here is that one. It was weird not to decorate these book pages, but it was cool. Postcard. This is a envelope I made out of tracing paper, and I just have a journaling card inside it, and it's just a tracing paper envelope I made. I just thought that was super cute, so I stuck that in there. And over here is an altered, this is a journaling card, and this is just an altered glassine bag, and I just made a little tuck spot back there. Some Tim Holtz people. And another pretty pocket with a big, huge journaling jar, I should say. I got these jar lids, and they came on this big old thing. So I just traced this out and made my own jar lid tag. And I got this ephemera, and this one, and then this beauty off of Pinterest. And these are some, it's called Page of Time, and it's got a whole bunch of ads from the 50s in there. And I just coffee dyed it and stuck that in here. And here is another glassine bag with some big Hermelinda tag in there. And my lace was not very tight, so I just kind of put that paper clip right there, and a little Junk That Treasures tag, some extra paper, and another beautiful postcard. And then this flips, oh, inside, oops, I got a paper clip in there. Maybe glued. Oh, good Lord. Did I glue that in there? Anyways, I got a big tag inside there, and I'll have to get it out when I can. I don't know why it's not. Let me pause this. And okay, I'm back. Got it out. I apparently glued it in there because I cut the bag off, so I had to glue the bag back shut, and then I glued it inside. Stuck it in there before it was dry. Have some stickers in here. This is just a little flip. And some Tim Holtz photos. I love those. Another tag. Big old journaling tag. For her to journal on. Maybe if I flip fast enough you won't notice that I put my pages in wrong. I sewed my own envelope in here and just gave her some extra journaling there. And then this beautiful Artie Mays tag. A little fabric flip, and this is also a tuck right there if you want to, she wants to put something in there. More stickers, and here is a little tag, and this is a tuck spot right in there. And this is Artie Mays from her Dragonfly kit. I super love that kit. And just clip those in, and another envelope on this side that I decorated and made from my tracing paper, and it's just got some couple little journaling tags inside. I was messing around with my coffee dyed tracing paper and made some envelopes out of it. And let's see. I love this book. It's so cute. Another little tuck spot tag. There's that paper, and over here another Dragonfly kit, and then this one. Love that. And I just made a book page tuck side pocket here. Get in there. And did some little layering. On this side, another book page. Behind it is another Hermelinda tag. And inside this pocket are these two. This one's, I think, Dreams, etc. And this is Artie Mays, of course. And then this one inside there. And here is another beautiful postcard that I love. Another little pocket here. This is some extra journaling paper. And then these two. Over here is some more layering, lace pocket, and Artie Mays. Oh my goodness. I can't believe I just had this in my brain where this came from. I'll link it below. I'm so sorry. My gosh, it just left my brain so fast. Back here is just a library pocket, and I just stamped some little dates on there to make it look like it's been used. And this little tag. And that is my little altered book swap with Terri Clark. I hope you love it, and thank you so much for stopping by and watching my videos. I have a few more videos coming up, and thank you, thank you, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.